Hello, today we will guide you through how to analyze data in KoboToolbox. To begin, open KoboToolbox in your browser and make sure you are on the main project's homepage. This is the starting point where all of your forms and projects are organized. If you have several projects in your workspace, take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct one, since your data analysis options will depend on the project you open. Once you are on the homepage, click on Sample Project. Opening the project is the first step in accessing the data collected through that form. Inside each project, KoboToolbox groups important tools together, including form settings, submissions, and analysis features. Choosing the right project here is important because all reports and tables you view will reflect the data stored in that specific form. After the project opens, look at the top of the page and click on Data. This section is where KoboToolbox lets you review and analyze the submissions that have been collected. The data area is useful because it brings together multiple ways to inspect your information, whether you want to scan individual records, look at structured tables, or review broader summaries. Next, click on Table. The table view is especially helpful when you want to see your form submissions laid out in rows and columns. This format makes it easier to compare entries, scan through responses, and quickly identify patterns or inconsistencies in the dataset. If you are working with many submissions, this view can save time because it presents information in a clean and organized way. From there, click on Reports. The Reports section gives you a more summarized way to analyze the data in your project. Instead of only looking at raw entries one by one, reports help you understand trends and response patterns more efficiently. This can be particularly useful when you want a quick overview of the collected information or when preparing to share insights with others. As you move between the table and report views, remember that each one supports a different type of analysis. The table is ideal for detailed record-level review, while reports are better for higher-level interpretation. Using both together can give you a more complete understanding of your project data. That's it. You've now seen how to open a project, access the data section, switch to the table view, and use reports in KoboToolbox to analyze your information more effectively.